Stepping into the 12 years, LTE continues to facilitate the Hong Kong education sector to build a comprehensive education ecosystem with participation of OGCIO, Cyberport, Hong Kong Science Park, and many more partners as exhibitors. We brought together the government, NGO, and commercial partners to inject impetus into education's development, enabling educators to discover and source the latest learning and teaching resources. Thank you every one of you for making LTE 2022 a success. Let's work together towards actualizing future-ready education.
And this week we've been organising the Learning and Teaching Expo 2022. We've been thrilled with the response that we've had. Thousands and thousands of teachers and schools have visited the show. The show has grown in size. We've got over 400 booths this year, and we've got 270 seminar sessions, presentations and workshops. It's been a fantastic week, and we're really looking forward to next year when we can beat those records again and invite all of you to come and participate and be part of Asia's largest Learning and Teaching Expo.
作為參展商，成為高 partner 嚟到 LTE 一個咁好嘅平台，希望將我哋唔同嘅產品方案同埋我哋教育嘅教材理念展示開嚟。
喺呢個學與教博覽入邊咧，可以讓到我自己啦，可以見到唔同嘅事物，讓到自己咧可以豐富眼界、豐富眼光，令到我自己咧可以喺將來點樣可以裝備到自己去喺學與教上面再行前一步。
So it's great to be here at the Learning and Teaching Expo here in Hong Kong, showcasing the best of UK EdTech and qualification and vocational training, and to meet with similar companies, organisations from Hong Kong and around the world.
The Learning and Teaching Expo is a great opportunity for teachers to come together to learn more about the special education needs of their students and how to implement it within their schools.
多謝學與教博覽咧，俾同學仔咧可以嚟到呢度展示佢哋嘅成果，呢個係對佢嚟講係一個非常好嘅經驗嚟嘅。
我覺得呢個博覽其實真係好幫到教育界嘅人啦，咁好多好多元化嘅嘢啦，好多行業最新嘅資訊都帶到俾我哋嘅。
The Teaching and Learning Expo in Hong Kong is one of the best places to meet teachers who are passionate about making learning way more engaging for their students.
我哋好開心，我哋今次咧可以繼續參與學與教呢一個博覽。我哋可以咧將我哋數碼港培育嘅好多初創公司，特別係同 education technology 教育科技相關嘅公司咧，帶到嚟展會，同教育界嘅一眾同工咧去合作，讓更多嘅學生咧能夠可以透過 STEAM 咧去陪住佢哋成長。學與教助你啟發 STEAM education.
The Learning and Teaching Expo has been just a brilliant few days. We've got to have many interchanges with people across the education sector, universities, government, teachers, learning about the direction of education, opportunities for the future, how we might improve as schools and create more opportunity for students, which is what it's all about. Thanks, Learning and Teaching Expo.